Hello. Hi everybody. How are you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for following and thank you for subscribing. If you haven't done it yet, do it right now. So it's been quite some time that I have recorded a video, and I promise you that there are going to be more videos which will be coming soon shortly. But this video is going to be all about IKEA, purchasing online products and delivering it within 2 or 3 days. I mean, that's something nice, and I don't have to go and spend my entire time in IKEA, you know. I can just get it delivered within 2-3 days. That's fantastic. So guys, I brought some purchase about 24-25 products, and let me show you what they are. Hey guys, so got this box from IKEA. Let's unbox this and try to see what's there in this. It has good packaging from IKEA. I mean, what is this for? Okay, these are the 2 pegboards which I have been wanting to buy from some time. I got 2 of them. Ta-da! What is this? Oh, this is a photo frame. Okay, all this material which I can hang it on the pegboard. You know, you can just keep some papers and stuff. Some baskets for the pegboard. Some towel. This is again some cheap trays just for keeping your essentials. This is the lamp, table lamp which I was talking about, and this is again all those essentials for the pegboard. A small basket where I can hang it. One more frame. Well, this is 100 rupees frame. The quality looks nice. This is that. Some more boxes. This is again a tray which you can keep it for the pegboard. This is a wiper to wipe you out. Some more plates, colorful pastel color plates. Very nice plates, cute plates. These are the 2 pots. I think they had a lot of egg crates which is left, and they just dumped all this inside this. If you see, I don't know why, but the eggs are missing, guys. Oh, this is just for being safe so that the products don't get damaged. So many. My God. This is like that patti, you know, घर के जो पट्टी होते हैं क्लीन करने के लिए. यार टॉवल से बड़ा तो इनका टैग है. देख लो. This is very good. I think you should buy this. जो भी open packets होते हैं वो कुरकुरे वाला पैकेट वो खुला रहता है ना कभी-कभी, तो उसके. And these are small hooks just to hang some stuff. Hooks, more hooks. One more small box. This one is a nice product. This one is basically a product where you can just keep your phone. So this is all from IKEA. What do you want more? So those are the products which I bought from IKEA online, which got delivered within 2 to 3 days. I mean, that was fantastic. Great work, IKEA. I am changing over my office look completely, which I will be showing in the next video. So stay tuned, stay logged on, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please go hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and of course make sure you comment below with your thoughts, and we will create more videos as such. Stay tuned. Bye bye.
Ba, क्या था ना?